Will Mohanlal be arrested in Drishyam 3? Do you have the phone number of Rajinikanth sir? Do you know how the electric motors work? Well, if you know the answer for all these things and you don't have the knowledge of finance, I don't think it's worth it.
Is finance knowledge so important?
Yes. Finance literacy is the ability to make sound financial choices in planning your money or saving your money. If you are financially strong, you can plan your day-to-day income, you can pay your debts, and you can also save on your rainy days too. The lack of financial knowledge would lead to poor financial decisions, and because of it, it has a serious impact on our financial well-being. It is high time for us to improve our financial knowledge for a smooth financial life. Do you understand the fundamental financial principles such as compound interest, credit ratings, mutual funds, etc.? Are you capable of making effective financial decisions? Do you know the best ways to generate the cash flow? Do you handle your personal finances well? Are you aware of most profitable saving techniques? Will you have enough savings for your rainy days? Do you live a debt-free life? Do you know the best investment options for gaining maximum profit? Do you have solution for your financial problems? If you are not satisfied with the answers for the above questions, I think you need to educate yourself on the financial concept as soon as possible. Do you know something? Our retirement benefits are going down and down, whereas our life expectancy is going up and up. In short, we live longer with lesser money. Financial literacy teaches us how to budget and save. It is very important for us to know that we need not waste money on costly appliances, cars, clothes, etc. We need to know the difference between our want and need, focus and prioritize our need so that we live a happy life. Acquiring too much of debt will put us into deep trouble. If we are financially literate, it would be easy for us to know how much we can borrow and pay back. This prepares us to provide our children's education, their future plan, medical and hospital bills without borrowing extra money. Our financial literacy helps us protect future of next generation. We teach them how to plan, budget and save. Meanwhile, they'll also understand how their parents work hard to cater all their needs. Result, they are going to be more accountable, prudent, smart and wise. The key to financial literacy is to start, and once you start, you become more confident and you will be in charge of your finance. The more eager you are to learn, the better the results are. Well, you've already started learning, right? Because you're watching this video, and don't forget, keep watching more videos of us.